Are you looking for the best kettlebell sets? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best kettlebell sets that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Yes, for all vinyl coated kettlebell. These kettlebells have a vinyl coating that protects them from rust and corrosion. They have a solid cast iron construction with a great design and size to fulfill your training needs. The wide handle has space for both hands, which can be useful for different exercise variations. The flat bottom of the kettlebell provides stability and balance. Available from 5 pounds to 50 pounds, these kettlebells are suitable for people of all strength levels. Overall, it's a complete package of size and comfort. Key features. The vinyl coating provides protection from corrosion. Great size for easy handling and comfort. Flat bottom for more stability. Ideal for any age or gender. Number 2. Bowflex SelectTech 840 Kettlebell. Amassing the best garage gym equipment quickly starts to take up a lot of space. One way to save room is with an adjustable kettlebell like the SelectTech 840 from Bowflex. This isn't the only adjustable bell out there, but it's one of the most affordable. Bowflex applied some of the same technology used for its 552 adjustable dumbbell and applied it here. I use the 840 adjustable kettlebells for a variety of exercises, including swings, farmer's carries, Turkish get-ups, and goblet squats, and I found it to be a good product. I really like the price point at around $180, and I like that it is useful for both beginners and experienced lifters. You essentially get 6 kettlebells in one here, because you can adjust the weight by turning the dial on the top of the bell. The weight ranges from just 8 to 40 pounds, however. Keep in mind that by many standards, women swing with about 35 pounds and men with about 53 pounds. Still, this can get the job done and give you a good workout, depending on how you intend to use it. One thing to keep in mind is that the outer shell of this bell is plastic. That means no slamming it around, or it will break. The weight plates inside do rattle a little while you exercise, which can be unnerving, but I didn't have any issues with plates falling out or coming loose. Key features. Easy to use dial for quick weight change. Several resistance levels in one kettlebell for saving space. Ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. Space-efficient design replaces up to 6 kettlebells. Number 3. Bionic Body Soft Kettlebell. The high-quality leather cover around this kettlebell gives it a unique look and added protection against any damages or injuries. Available in multiple weights, this kettlebell is easy to carry and makes for a great workout companion. Besides a great design and extra durability, the kettlebell also has a large handle and is compact in shape, a bonus for those with storage space restrictions. Key features. Soft leather protection against injuries. Ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip. Available in different weights. Heavy-duty and soft materials. Number 4. Best Choice 3-piece kettlebell set. For beginners, it can be good to start small. The 3-piece kettlebell, $60, set from Best Choice is a solid option for people who are just starting out. This set comes with 3 kettlebells weighing 5, 10, and 15 pounds, along with a storage rack. These weights work well for newbies who want to dial their form down before they go bigger. They are also ideal for HIIT classes that require lightweight and high repetitions. The 3 bells allow you to go heavier as you progress, and the low cost allows you to upgrade without breaking the bank. These will likely be too light for experienced athletes. But if you're just starting out, this set is a great option. Pros. Great for beginners. Affordable price. Comes with a storage rack. Cons. Limited weight set. Number 5. The original Kettle GRYP. The Kettle GRYP is a great option if you already have a set of dumbbells lying around. This device clips around the handle of any dumbbell and turns it into a makeshift kettlebell. It's easy to pack, so it works well for frequent travelers who don't want to skip their kettlebell training in a hotel gym. At $35, it adds versatility to a rack of dumbbells. And it basically gives you a full set of kettlebells that take up no additional space. The handle wraps and secures around the grip of a dumbbell. This adds a kettlebell-style handle to the dumbbell, making it useful for swings, snatches, and other movements. While they're a great space saver, it's good to note that the dumbbell has a wider profile than the body of traditional kettlebells. So you'll have to adjust your form a bit by twisting the weight or spreading your legs wider during swings. It also prevents the natural rotation on kettlebell snatches. A round kettlebell rotates around the wrist as you drive it overhead. A dumbbell is too oblong for this, so it'll have to flip up over your hand and land on your forearm. Pros: great for travel. Good option if you already have dumbbells. Lightweight and portable. Cons: requires slight changes in form. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.